In late December 2019, law enforcement agencies across northeastern Colorado began receiving reports of large drones flying at night. The sightings were consistent: multiple drones, coordinated movement, repeated appearances over rural counties. Sheriff deputies observed the aircraft directly and described fixed-wing drones flying grid-style patterns. Some were estimated to span up to 6 feet. The Federal Aviation Administration confirmed the flights were not authorized under any known civilian permits. The Colorado Department of Public Safety formed a task force involving state police, local sheriffs, and federal partners. For weeks, authorities attempted to track the drones. No launch sites were found, no pilots were identified, no radar system produced conclusive data. Officials publicly acknowledged that they did not know who was operating the aircraft or why. By January 2020, the sightings abruptly stopped. The investigation was quietly closed. No final explanation was released.